Alright, Jamaican Girl TV gonna eat some jelly.
Jelly coconut. The jelly from in the middle of the coconut. I just finished drinking the water, so now I'm eating the jelly. And it's soft to eat, soft.
Wow, jelly nice.
Jelly coconut is good.
Want a jelly, Rowie? We have 150 jelly, you know. Where is it? Well, 150 jelly. 150 jelly, man.
Rui, them a sell your jelly 150.
150. You don't want nothing big on this, belly. Look at it. Get that money for Auntie Diane, man. And come back.
Christmas time, man. We have money.
By Rui a jelly instant.
Yeah.
By Rui a $1.50. On what?
You want it?
150.
Yeah,
Buy
you
my
want
jelly.
Oh, yeah, alright.
You don't want to do it. Can I go
Ah,
get
me
it? Can I go
want that.
Can I go
Leave
get
me
it?
by
I
there.
want it. Pass the cutlass, bro.
Destiny, go down.
Yeah. Want to talk on Jamaican Girl TV?
So yes, guys. Join me.
Yeah, man.
It's sweet enough, so you see me done one half. Me just have finish up the other.
151 this end of the
Yeah,
one.
man.
Not too hot. What your shoes in?
Stay, what size you guys wear? Your favorite?
Me?
And look on the
Size
spoon.
eight.
See?
So I want shoes up here.
Turn down and make them trouble in the evening. Down there, cut them in.
I didn't say if I do a blue in there.
The part you kind of soft. Yeah, the part is softer than the other part.
How much now? I must give me now. Then just start set up. Yeah, set up the bathroom and everything.
The bathroom up there, so.
How much jelly yourself from? You go much jelly yourself from?
Yeah, that's good.
How much money you make from?
You want to know how much money you make and everything. But yes,
Yes, Jamaican Girl TV eating up the coconut.
jelly coconut.
What's about that? Everything up. Can you smell your tummy clean?
What part of it is a little bit hard.
Mad. So just like the and party at night.
You see it too? I saw it going on. Yep.
Hustle a day and party and night. That's what you have to do it.
Money never too much in a row.
You know that?
Money never too much.
Always good to make some money. Just when me did live down here, up Zion then. Me no play. You play hustling me do.
Yeah, hustle, man.
Hustle and make me money.
Like, here's the man, you know.
Oh.
You have to pay your fee, bossy. You have to pay your fee. They just come out and circle with. You have to pay your fee. Alright, go down.
So there we go, guys.
Alright.
Huh?
So yeah, man.
Nah,
That
true,
is
me
it
know
for
tell him
the
have to
coconut.
pay your fee if they can't sell up your stuff. I'm just tell him. If you can give me $4,000 Because drink 2 rum die that. Let him there so you see. And so go and come here 2 little pieces. Give me my rum money.
One talk what?
But yes, man.
Huh?
The jelly is all over my mouth. I was eating jelly coconut.
Don't have it then.
But it's good. Yeah, man. Let's roll.
Alright, let's roll. Cut it off now.
Alright.
No, how we are going to roll?
Soon come here.
You want your jelly?
Yeah, nothing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Now me collect. I collect.
There goes husband Easton.
$4,000.
No, no straw. No straw, just drink. You're Jamaican man, you know. Yeah, man, just go and drink. Yeah, man. Mr. Robinson.
DJ East was start.
Yeah. DJ East.
Listen for YouTube, on TikTok.
TikTok, he
Look
do
upon it.
TikTok.
Me that tell me what dia.
Yeah, yeah.
Magic press record.
Around 20. Almost
Oh, we
50,000.
prepare them.
50,000. No, 55,000 followers.
You have a lot of followers. So yes, guys, he's enjoying the coconut. A long time he not get drink
You long
one
not drink one coconut?
Yeah, a long time he not
10
drink
years.
one too. About 10 years. You know, so in the forward on the island, the first thing you have to drink is a jelly coconut to wash off your heart. Yeah, man. If you drink a jelly coconut, you know, in good wash off in your heart.
What's happening now?
450 and 3. That's a 450, that's 450 man. 150 and 3.
Yeah, man. Here we go, Mr. Robinson. Mr. TikToker.
Come hold it.
No, I left my laptop in my youth. DJ man, I left my laptop in.
No, man.
And I got me see a play sound.
Yeah, man. Take it at this.
Yeah, man, we have to
Yeah, my big son.
support
You know,
the young cousin
your
them,
big
you
son.
know.
Me have 6.
And I try a thing, we have to support. We have to be a support.
Jelly at 250.
Yeah, man.
Another $250. Another
No, man, take it. What's that?
At 600 I will give you.
Take it.
Alright. Respect uncle.
Yeah. In your pocket.
Alright. Nice side I want.
You have to get the internet. Internet if you want to go live back on it.
You know, I think more on the live, you know. We just go and walk, you know.
Flip.
So you walk there, everything.
So, where's the Jamaican Girl TV?
TV.
Big up Jamaican
Girl TV, right. Thank you very much.
I boss how come I Oh,
Yeah.
if you want my youth. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man, we support them, you know. A young youth and them a try a thing, so we just support. Yeah, man. So them a string up and a set up and a get ready for them. To do them thing, you know.
Sparkling sound.
Sparkle. But no people know over here yet, cause you know. It just get set up, then just set up. What's going on?
All
Yeah.
is well?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Oh, go on, man.
There your family.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready for this?
Jamaican Girl TV,
Okay,
YouTube.
nice, yeah.
So you know. What's your name?
Shanghai.
Shenge.
Yeah.
And where are you from, Shenge?
Right here in Polyground.
Oh, I used to live right down there. Down where Diane live.
Okay.
Yeah, Charmin.
Charming. Yeah, man, yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Turn Jamaican Girl
Nice,
TV.
nice look.
To on YouTuber.
Yes,
A
man.
YouTuber, yeah. So what's going on? What you selling and stuff?
Well, oh. Well, we're selling liquor, muffins, donuts.
And I can see you selling what the kids like.
Yeah, you have to treat the kids them too.
Yeah, man. Their favorite.
You know, and bless up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
So
Alright.
we pass through it for
Okay.
more, you know, support. Yeah. Where
I'm
Ann?
gone,
We see
I'm
Ann.
gone.
Ann gone.
I
Where
know,
Ann
I
gone?
know, I see.
No, we come back. No, man. We
Oh.
talk to Ann already.
Oh.
And we come back. Yeah. She will come back. Hey, Jella, where you run go?
All right.
All right. They wait to go. Remember me done that.
She on YouTube?
Me no forget the whole thing, you know.
Hey,
All right.
Jamaican Girl TV. She on YouTube already? She go on YouTube. She go on
She
your page.
did go up on my page already from last year. So.
Auntie, how are you?
How you know how one? What happened to you now? Yes, yeah, easy.